Hi, I'm Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. Thanks for joining my new channel, and I've got a really cool thing I want to show you. Now, in my Cybertruck, I like to customize some of the things. One of the things you saw was my white Cybertruck seats, because I like the white out look. I think it looks clean, looks awesome. But I found something even more practical. I can move my screen. Now, I want to let you know, the original stock screen is about an inch higher up, and I actually had a storage bin that I had behind here, and I could put things on top of there. Well, when you change and put your rotating screen on there, that kind of goes away. But the cool thing is, you can rotate it. So when you're driving, you have a better look of your screen. And if you're a passenger, wants to go ahead and navigate someplace and wants to get a better look at the screen, they can just turn it this way, type in the navigation, and put it back towards you. And it moves up and down. You can see that. If you're tall, you want to go up. If you're short like me, probably down. But you can go right, left, all the way like that. The cool thing is, it's got a really flush look. If you come back here, it's got this flush OEM look on the top. It looks very, very custom, like it was built for it. And it was I don't want to say it was a difficult to install, but you definitely have to take your time with getting the connectors off and know how to get the connectors off. The video that they have for it is excellent. The link is going to be down below, and I definitely stress that you guys get this from Tesstudio. Tesstudio has some awesome products that we've reviewed. This is probably going to be one of the most popular ones, especially with Black Friday coming up and Christmas coming up. Santa, only if you're good, all right? No speeding in your Cyberbeast. Is going to bring you the rotating screen, and they actually make them for, I think, the Y and the 3 as well, because it is really nice to have this. It definitely gives you the flexibility to move around. So take a look with the link below. Again, not too bad of an install. It really didn't take that long. Just be careful with it. Watch the video, and I appreciate you subscribing. Hit like, comment, subscribe below to our new channel, Mark of the Cyberbeast. We'll see you again next time.